Hey fam, checking in with y'all right quick. I'm getting ready to get out the truck. I'm out here with my homegirl. We getting ready to go check out this jazz festival after party. It's almost 9 o'clock. Get out here and get us some drinks and vibe out to the music. And yes, just have us a good old time. I'm sorry about the lighting, y'all. Y'all can't see me real good, but if I can get a full body picture, I will. I just got some flat black and gold sandals on, some tan linen flowy pants, a casual style black tank, gold accessories. I got my hair up in a bun, hoops. It is what it is, a cute casual night. And my little black and gold bag. So we're about to get in here and see what's going on. And you know what? Y'all coming along. Let's go.
It get hotter in the summer, yeah. Hotter in the summer. The winter don't stand no chances. Hotter in the summer, yeah. Hotter in the summer. The winter don't stand no chances. Hotter in the summer. Front of your back, be careful who you hugging, you dab. Cause these niggas ain't your brother like that. Don't really love you like that. From the land of snakes, trying to be a great. Trusting everybody that I love, that was my mistake. Turn me cold hearted to a savage. If you f me over, I ain't giving out passes. Doing big shit, we ain't doing nothing average.
Thank you. Hey fam, happy Saturday. Your girl is out and about getting ready to have a little lunch with one of my homegirls, and I thought I would bring you all along. This is a new restaurant that has recently opened in the area, and we're gonna see how it goes. I hope the food is good. Let's go. Y'all, we're back from the restaurant, and that's a whole nother story. I gotta tell y'all, that was the worst experience ever I have had at a new restaurant. You see, I didn't record none of the food. Y'all got the drink, and that was about it. They didn't have none of the food practically in the restaurant. We was watching the people bring in the food to cook it, the supplies, everything, y'all. It was just it was a mess. When we finally did get our food, my homegirl food was cold. My food was supposed to come with rice. They ended up telling me once they brought my food out that they didn't have any more rice in stock. Everything, like multiple things we asked for, ended up not being in stock. But anyway, not letting that ruin our Saturday. I'm back home with the kiddos, and I forgot to show y'all my outfit, your girl's outfit. So I got on my little jean dress. And my little orange sandals. Oh, let me grab my purse. Alright, so y'all have already seen my little cute Steve Madden bag. And the sandals that I bought from Shein. The orange really, really goes. The sandals I bought from Shein to match the bag. And they match perfectly. And yeah, guys. So I'm getting ready to head out. I got to go to Old Navy. And we got to go in the mall for Marquise. And then I'm going to head out to my mom's house, spend some time with her. So I'm getting ready to close up shop because I probably won't get back until it's almost dark, or it will be dark. But yeah, that's the outfit of the day.